Every business runs on data. It captures your decisions, your progress, and your growth. When data is safe, work moves forward. When it is lost, everything pauses. With reliable and secure auto backup in TallyPrime 7.0, make data protection simple, reliable, and completely automatic. Keep your information safe in the background while you stay focused on what matters most. With automatic backups, your data is protected at regular intervals to Tally Drive or to your local system. You decide the schedule and TallyPrime does the rest. Incremental backups ensure you save time and storage. Only the latest changes are stored, keeping backups light and fast while maintaining full protection. Every backup is organized and time-stamped, so restoring any version takes just a few clicks. And with Tally Drive, there's no searching for drives, folders, or devices. Auto backup gives you total flexibility without adding complexity. Security and access stay in your control, with permissions for who can schedule, download, or restore backups. And with a backup password, you get added protection beyond Tally.net authentication. You can even share backup data with your CA whenever needed. Every backup is tracked and recorded, and if a backup ever fails, you're instantly notified. Auto backup quietly takes care of your data, letting your business move forward with confidence and peace of mind. Because when your data is protected, your business never stops.